morning, my dear students. Once again, most welcome to the online classes. Now today I am going to talk about question number 3, exercise 2.2, standard 8. Let us see, my dear students, how to do this question. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3. So there is an isosceles triangle given and its base is given 4 by 3. What mean by base? Usually the side which is we are writing bottom side, that is called base. So here, my dear students, I am assuming the isosceles triangle ABC with base BC and which is given 4 by 3. Now further, my dear student, let us try to understand question. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 2 by 15. 4 2 by 15. This is a mixed fraction and this is given perimeter of the given triangle. As my dear student, we have been discussed what mean by perimeter. The sum of all sides of this triangle is called perimeter of this triangle. There are total 3 sides. We can say 3 edges. The sum of all these 3 sides is called what? Perimeter of this isosceles triangle. What mean by isosceles triangle? If any 2 sides are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. If any 2 sides out of 3 sides are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. Let us see, my dear students, as per question, what is the length of either of remaining equal side? Either of remaining equal side. What does it mean? It means that either you find this side AB or you find AC, because both are same. If you are getting AB or AC, that means you are getting both one. So let us proceed, my dear students. Let us find solution. The sum of all sides x plus the perimeter is equal to the perimeter is equal to of triangle ABC x plus 4 by 3 and its perimeter is given 4 2 by 15. Okay, my dear students, now here we can add this variable together as both are homogeneous term and therefore we can add together. X plus x become 2x. 4 by 3 will be as it is. Now, my dear students, here 4 2 by 15 means what? It is a mixed fraction. What is the rule to find this mixed fraction? Multiply this denominator with this 4 and whatever coming we will add in 2. So 15 4 ja 60. 60 plus 2, 62 by 15. So I hope so, my dear students, you have been understand how to simplify this mixed fraction into simple fraction. Multiply 15 with the 4, whatever coming add into the numerator and then write that term into the numerator. So it is coming out, my dear students, 62 by 15. Now after this, let us take this fraction 4 by 3 right side, because we want to know value of x, which is a variable. We want to determine this one. So my dear student, let us segregate variable one side and fraction other side. So 2x is equal to 62 by 15 minus 4 by 3. Notice it, my dear students, here is plus sign left side. When it will go right side, it become minus sign. Notice that whenever we are taking fraction constant from one side to another side, its sign will going to change. If it is plus, when it will go other side, become minus. If it is minus, become plus. If it is a division, become multiplication. If multiplication, become division. So therefore, my dear students, here it is plus given. When it will go right side, it become minus. So 62 upon 15 minus 4 by 3. Now after this, my dear students, what we can do? In order to solve this, here denominator are not same. It is not same. So what to do? We cannot subtract this numerator directly. First we have to make denominator same. There are two ways. Either you find LCM of 15 and 3 and then you do, or other way what to do? Multiply constant in the numerator and denominator so that this denominator will become same. And then once denominator will become same, then directly we can subtract numerator with the numerator. So my dear student, here what I did, I am multiplying 5 constant in the numerator and denominator. If same number we are multiplying in both numerator and denominator, it doesn't produce any effect, any change in the actual value. So let us proceed, my dear students. 62 by 15, 4 5 are 20, 5 3 are 15. Now here denominator became same. Now we can do subtraction of numerator. Write denominator one time. So 62 minus 20. 62 minus 20. What is coming, my dear students? 2 minus 0 will be 2. 6 minus 2 will be 4. Divide by 15. So here, my dear students, we got 2x is equal to 42 by 15. Now further, take this 2 is also right side, and 2 is nothing sign, means multiplication. 2 is multiplied with this variable. When it will go right side, it will become what? Division. So therefore, my dear students, now we want to take this 2 also right side, then what will happen? This 2 will go into divide on right side, because left side is multiplied. When it will go right side, it become division. So x is equal to 42 by 15 into 2. So it will go into multiply into the denominator. 15 2s are 30. 42 by 30. Further, if you want, you can do cancellation. Here, yes, it has a common factor of 2. How we came to know? The last number is 0 and here last number is 2. Therefore, it has common factor 2. We can do further cancellation. 2 15s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, again 3 5s are, 3 7s are. So we got, my dear students, 7 by 5. So what is our answer? So we have been approached to the answer. We can write over here. X is equal to what we got? X is equal to 7 by 5 centimeter. What we got in centimeter. So this is required side of isosceles triangle out of these two sides which are equal to each other. Thank you, my dear students. Now whatever you have doubt, you can approach on my WhatsApp number. You can ask at my personal WhatsApp number. Have a nice day. Now next time we will proceed further. Next question. Thank you, my dear students.